This is the Boost treadmill install at the Newcastle Knights at their new training stadium. Tested, ready to go. Bags bagging up. Treadmill deck is running, as you can see. And also we've got on full incline. These are the airbags that hold the air. So these are the incline pillar blocks, and they're still within the bag itself, which seals the whole treadmill in. That there is the air pump, air compressor, which pushes the air into the bag itself. There's the dashboard controls. This here is increase the pressure from here, and it will increase the pressure in the bag itself to hold the user up a bit more, so they feel a bit lighter for the training and rehab. This is a 29 kilometre version, so it goes 29 kilometres an hour speed, running speed. With this, so with these Boost treadmills, you can run that fast with the vacuum that's in the bags. Can help you do faster running for faster leg movement, and also good for rehabilitation for hips, knees, ankles, and just the lower body. Boost treadmill imported to Australia through NovaFit. Thank you.